Welcome to 21 Burningham Crescent, a beautifully updated 4-bedroom home with 3 washrooms, nestled on a deep and very private corner lot on one of the most sought-after streets within Ajax's prestigious and historic Pickering Village community. 8-foot fencing surrounding the resort-like backyard brings the idyllic privacy of cottage living to the city. The perennial gardens, manicured lawns, evergreens, and mature trees of both the front and backyards are aesthetically pleasing all year long. And with no sidewalk, the oversized long driveway can accommodate 6-vehicle parking. Set well back from the street and professionally landscaped for show-stopping curb appeal, decorative armor stones also enhance the landscaping front and back, and the new natural stone front walkway leads to a fully covered porch that runs the full width of the home, and which has been updated with a natural stone floor, a custom wood ceiling and posts, as well as a custom front entry door with a 3/4 window and side light, plus new hardware. The interior of the home has been freshly painted and features upgraded ceiling light fixtures top to bottom. The main level additionally showcasing custom trim work that includes deep crown moldings in the foyer and mudroom areas, doorway moldings, as well as 8-inch baseboards. Richly hued hardwood flooring brings added warmth to the south-facing living room. Exuding modern elegance, this space overlooks the front patio and gardens through an oversized bow window with 2 casement openings. Its aura of elegance carried over into the dining room. The earthen-toned ceramic flooring of the dining room flows into the gorgeous custom kitchen. This incredibly functional workspace, showcasing richly hued maple cabinetry with pantry storage, crown moldings, and display shelves, solid surface quartz counters and tumbled marble backsplashes, a stainless steel double sink, its picture casement window with custom roller shade overlooking the private backyard, as well as stainless steel appliances. The kitchen, living, and dining rooms all enjoying an exceptional ease of flow between them, making entertaining a breeze, and with a 6-foot wide sliding door walkout, entertaining easily spills onto a fully covered attached back deck within the stunning backyard oasis. Professionally built and permitted, this 20 by 12-foot oversized indoor-outdoor living space has an open vaulted wood ceiling with 2 chandeliers, custom display shelves, and great sunset views, and steps down to a backyard surrounded by 8-foot fencing for ultimate privacy and meticulously landscaped with natural stone, lush lawn areas, and perennial gardens. Also accessible via a secondary entrance from the home and from the garage, 2 side gates with locks provide access from the front yard, the carriage gates opening to an extended paved driveway alongside the garage, which is ideal for boat, RV, or additional private parking. And whether hosting a huge neighborhood party or simply getting together with a few friends, with stone patios connected by stone pathways, every corner of the yard has a place for guests to mingle. Updated with new windows and siding, the pool house has power, plus a custom built-in bench, shelves, decor, and lighting. Cedar trees along the north fence line enhance the privacy of this space, and when in full leaf, the trees bring summertime shade. And there is always the option to cool off in the new in-ground heated saltwater pool. Having its own lounge area, the pool also has a gas heater, filter, and pump, has integrated multicolored LED lights, and comes with all related equipment, including both a solar and a custom-fit winter cover. The staircase to the upper level is finished with dark hardwood treads and railings, white risers, and wrought iron pickets. The upper level also showcasing hardwood flooring and updated trim work throughout, a new oversized apron window in the hallway, as well as 4 naturally bright bedrooms, all with new double casement windows. The south-facing 4th bedroom has a walk-in style closet, and across the hall, included with the north-facing 3rd bedroom, is a wardrobe tucked behind its entry door. At the end of the hall is a full-size linen closet, conveniently placed close to a 4-piece washroom featuring tiled finishes, a new oversized apron window, sliding glass doors with the bath and shower area, updated fixtures, as well as a custom vanity with a stone counter. The north-facing 2nd bedroom has a wall niche ideal for a sitting or study area and also includes a wardrobe. While the graciously sized master bedroom showcases a south-facing exposure, crown moldings, a papered accent wall, and a built-in double-sized wardrobe. Important exterior updates to this home include new Gentech energy-efficient windows and doors, plus new siding, soffits, eaves, gutters, and downspouts, all in custom colors, a Nest Video/Wi-Fi doorbell, plus new upgraded exterior lighting, and another great feature is its full-size double-car garage, which has built-in loft storage, includes a remote automatic garage door opener, and which also has a rear door to access the backyard as well as to access the secondary entrance into the mudroom off the kitchen. Also off this side entry is a walk-in pantry and storage closet, plus a powder room with a new apron window, updated fixtures, a contemporary vanity, and a custom tiled floor, as well as the staircase to the finished lower level. A great space for personal enjoyment and for entertaining. The recreation area showcases hardwood flooring, 2 new windows with oversized window wells, and a storage area under the staircase. The 4-piece washroom on this level has been newly updated and features new fixtures, a custom vanity with a stone counter, and pot lighting. Both the washroom and the laundry room have doors to access a large furnace and storage room, while the custom-designed laundry room has a tiled floor and backsplash, great cabinetry storage, a trim ceiling with pot lighting, butcher block countertops with a sink, upgraded fixtures, and a stacked front-load washer and dryer. This space also easily converted into a kitchen if desired. A short walk to Lincoln Avenue Public and St. Francis de Sales Catholic Elementary Schools, the Village Greenbelt Trail, and the Peacock Parquet. This home is also within walking distance to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. And Ajax's beautiful waterfront park, with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario, is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.